Brennan, can you just toss the lid on that relish for me?
Yep.
So no bugs get in it.
When they cure the plague, acoustic jam in Coburg on my boat.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Full like a kit and everything.
Yeah.
Just, fuck yeah.
While we're sailing through the
So have you done this, or you'd like to do
No,
this?
I'd love to. I mean, I like dream of it.
That would be good.
Never have I heard I'm on a serving word. Never have I heard. Never have I heard I'm on a serving word. And hold out for long. I never felt so quite disturbed.
Or no? No, you're just used to belt.
Never have I, yeah. Never have I heard.
Yeah,
Never
that's
have
it.
I heard.
All right, go.
Yeah, I used to be at 11 with that one.
Sing the I Don't Knows with me.
And I don't know, help me. And I don't know, help me.
Yeah.
Yeah, woo.
That sounds good.
All right, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You can turn yours on. You want to play louder? You can bubble. Never have I heard I'm on a serving word. And hold out for long. I never felt so quite disturbed. And I get up in the morning now. I don't know. Waiting for the evening now. I don't know. Waiting for what's coming now. I don't know. Somebody please help me. Yeah. Looking back at me, you're more than mystery. Letters and pages, it's ancient history, yeah. And I get up in the morning now, I don't know. Waiting for the evening now, I don't know. Looking for what's coming now, I don't know. Somebody please help me. I don't know, help me. And I don't know, help me, yeah. And I don't know, help me. And I don't know, help me, yeah. And I don't know, help me. And I don't know,
Nice. They're Canadian, right?
Yeah. You know, like 80% of our stuff is Canadian.
I was gonna say, I would say it's yes.
We should do a slow
Might be
song.
close.
I love slow.
Yeah, I was just gonna say
They're
that.
hard. They're hard. Like the good stuff's hard. The recognizable stuff is hard.
That's true. Alex knows.
You want to do?
Song too. When we
Did we do sawed off shotgun?
No, we didn't. That's
He became-
Kingston.
So
I want to go weighty go. Should we close on a weighty? It's okay. It was one of the stronger ones. No.
Yeah, but play shot of shotgun.
Okay.
Alex.
You guys got all the key.
We should put it on the burger.
Like that. Like the.
So what are you thinking? That anyway?
obviously hard with the whole
He's
reality.
top.
But
Our
It's
hockey
like larger
schedule
than
is so fucked up this
Yeah,
year. We
yeah.
do.
A good chunk of Ontario, he is the.
I give you credit for doing it. We regret
They
not
call
putting
it
the girls
prison.
in. We decided not to in August. And then
It's
we've
like a more
had
than
second
celebrity.
thoughts for weeks now.
It's so far so good, and they haven't shut us down yet. Hockey ranges from as early as 2 in the afternoon, as late as 5 in the evening. So this is a late day, and then what is it on? And then Saturday is as early as 7 in the morning, as late as 11 in the afternoon, or 11 in the morning. So it really depends. Now, luckily, our kids are on the same team, so there's that. We're not, but it really depends on the week.
Okay.
I got 2 more before I got
Should we aim for Sundays? Like, should we try for Sundays?
Yeah.
Should we try?
Yeah. My only thing is that you guys help me with put the kid at least in the front door, so that I only have to do the
absolutely.
one thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you play that song again?
E and A. All E, all A.
Okay.
It's been a while since. I looked over at him. I'm like thinking about someone else. I'm like,
What is
who do you
the
trust?
What is the F sharp? Is it F sharp?
I think it goes F sharp.
Oh, I thought it was F.
F and D.
It's F sharp for sure.
Yeah, it's
I
F.
kept hitting an F.
I went to
That
E.
doesn't sound right.
Holy smokes, that's